Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope students you all are fine and safe at home. Today we will complete our first lesson, grade 6 book New Oxford Modern English. Let's start. The first lesson is the poem Mother to Son. Mother to Son की reading and words meaning हमने कर लिए हैं. Next question answers भी कर चुके हैं. And today we will do its exercise. Write these sentences in sentences को लिखिए using standard and grammatically correct English use करते हुए. I see expecting a friend for dinner. Students, as you know, lesson read करते हुए भी मैंने आपको ये बताया था I have been expecting a friend for dinner. Similarly, I see been waiting at this bus stop for 1 hour. I have been waiting at this bus stop for 1 hour. I ain't going to cinema tonight. Ain't mean I am not going to cinema tonight. They's been kinder sleepy today. They have been a kind of sleepy today. She stayed at home because she was ill. She stayed at home because she was ill. You ain't doing this. You ain't doing की जगह you are not doing आएगा. This all if you find it's too difficult to do now. Similarly, आपको statement, questions and commands के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. Statement किसी भी बयान को कहा जाता है. Question किसी भी सवाल को कहते हैं. Command just like a order and exclamation निदाइया या फिजाइया. यह आपको further example से define किया जा रहा है. Let's solve this question. Put out the statement, questions, commands and exclamations. कह रहे हैं कि आपने बताना है कि statement कौन सी है, question कौन सा है, command और explanations क्या है. Students, look here carefully. The boards are turned up. ये एक स्टेटमेंट है. सो मैंने एस राइट किया है. डिड यू हियर दैट व्हाट आई सेड? क्या आपने सुना मैंने क्या कहा? इट्स अ क्वेश्चन. सो क्यू राइट किया हुआ है. कीप इट सेफ इन अ ट्रंक. क्योंकि एक ऑर्डर है, एक कमांड है कि इसको एहतियात से ट्रंक में रखो. सो मैंने सी राइट किया है. हाउ फ्रेश इट इज़. ये कितना ताज़ा है. एक्सप्लेनेशन. It will change color in 2 hours. Statement. Throw it away. इसको दूर फेंको. Command. I burnt it yesterday. मैंने इसको कल जलाया. Statement. Have you burnt it yet? Question. Make questions from the sentences below. I will tell you. Will I tell you. आपको स्टेटमेंट दी हुई, आपने इसको क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट करना है. It had text in it. Had it text in it. क्या क्वेश्चन होगा आपका? Had it text in it. There were places with no carpet on the floor. Were there places with no carpet on the floor. कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे आप इसको? Were there, were पहले चला जाएगा, फिर there. Were there places with no carpet on the floor. She sat down on the grass. Does he sit down on the grass? And the question mark भी सबके साथ आना शुरू हो जाएगा. Does she find it hard? She finds it hard. आपके पास स्टेटमेंट है, आपने इसको कन्वर्ट किया. Does she find it hard? Similarly, I am still working hard. Am, आप इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? Am I still working hard? That's it. Students, I hope you understand. In the next video, we will start our next lesson, which is the Nicobobins. And hope so you like the video. If you have any question related to your topic, ask in comment section. Must subscribe our channel, like the video. Allah Hafiz.